Hi guys, today is Easter Sunday, and so because we can't go out for Easter Sunday today, I am going to make omelets for the family, and so I thought that I would share with you how I make my omelets. They're really easy to make, and the nice thing about omelets is what you put inside is fully up to you. So the omelet itself is the egg, but you can put anything you want in yours. Anything you have in the fridge is fine, or any special items you like, which is the protein, the meat, or the vegetables. And the cheese too. Yeah, and depending on the different types of cheese, you'll get different flavor into your omelet.
So this is the finished product. This is what we're making today, the omelet. You start by the stuffing. I'm going today with what I have, which is ham, tomato, mushroom, and onion. Cut it up all into little cubes. And then I also prepare my cheese, cut up some cheese, which I'm going to need at the end. You don't put the cheese in now. You take your pan, you make it hot, put some oil inside. I take all the stuffing except for the tomato and the cheese. I saute it. Once it starts to get sauteed, then I throw my tomatoes in later so they don't get soft. Then I take all the stuffing out, I put it aside, and then I go for the eggs. 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and then you have to add some water to the eggs. It's 1 tablespoon of water per egg. You need that for the extra liquid. You beat it all up. I use a fork. Use whatever you want, but I use a fork. And once it's beat up, then I put oil back into the same pan, and then I throw the egg into that pan. Once the egg starts to get solid, then I throw the stuffing back into half of the egg, because I'm going to fold it, and then I put the cheese on top, and then I fold it in half. Maybe cook for another minute, pull it out, stick it in your plate. I like to add a little bit of salsa to mine, and some toast, of course, and then you just sit down and you enjoy yourself a delicious omelet for you and your family. Happy Easter, everybody.